Transform your agreements from paper piles to digital powerhouses by mastering Docusign, the ultimate tool for sending and signing documents. Let's dive into sending your first document. Once logged into your Docusign account, you'll land on your dashboard to start. Click the Send button located prominently at the top left of your screen. This is your gateway to initiating the signing process. On the Send screen, you have a few options for this tutorial. We'll select Upload a Document. To send a file from your computer, click the Upload button and choose the agreement you wish to send from your File Explorer. Now you're in the Prepare screen here. You can add the individuals who need to sign your document in the Add Recipients section. Type the email address of the first signer if you need to add more. Simply click Add another recipient and enter their email. Below the recipient list, you'll see various fields like signature, date, and text boxes to place these on your document. Simply click on a field in the left-hand menu. Then drag and drop it onto the correct spot on your document preview. Make sure to assign each field to the correct recipient to do this. After dropping a field, a small drop-down will appear, allowing you to select which signer it belongs to. Repeat this for all necessary signature blocks, initial fields, and any other information you require. Once all fields are placed and assigned, review your document one last time to ensure everything is in order. Then, click the Next button at the top right. This takes you to the final review and send screen. Here, you can add a custom message to your recipients, which will appear in the email they receive. Double-check all the information you've entered. When you're absolutely confident, hit the big, blue Send button. Congratulations! Your document is now on its way to be signed professionally and securely.